Right. What are you laughing at?
You?
Right. Oh yeah. Come on.
Impressive.
Yeah. Alright then.
Oh, I can't do it.
I literally did that without even practicing.
No, I bet you were.
No.
I bet you were like, there's probably like a bit on the floor because you've been chucking them.
No. 1, 2. Right, I did it in 1. I'm better. Right.
Yeah.
How childish are we? What happened in the last episode of Chainsaw Man? Gotta be quick because we've already wasted a minute.
Because it's really chewy. Good God.
They're soft.
So, I'm trying to think what happened in the last episode. It was the bat, wasn't it? Denji, obviously been partnering up with Power. Someone kindly explained to us in the comments that the difference between Denji and Power is that Power is the devil taking over a corpse.
Yep.
So there's no human consciousness, it's just purely the devil. Whereas Denji is a human who has a devil for a heart, and he's conscious.
Yep.
Human conscious.
Yep.
So it's the aftermath of Power killing that big, like goopty slug.
Sea mollusk.
Sea mollusk. Sea cucumber looking weird devil thing.
Yep.
There was a bit of friction. They were kind of working well, they kind of weren't.
They didn't work well. She just killed it.
Yeah, but, they were kind of like,
Bonding.
Yeah. Trying to think what happened. Power explained a cat.
Yeah.
She had this, it was like meowie or something. She wanted Denji to help her get her cat back from a devil who, she said killed it, didn't she? She said that the devil had killed it. Only for them to get there. Power betrayed Denji. She thinks he was just a human. She didn't realise that he was a devil. Had a devil inside of him.
Yep.
The bat devil took Denji's blood, didn't like it, but regrew his arm back. Swallowed Power's cat inside of a cage, and then took Power and chomped her down.
Swallowed her too, yep. And they fought.
And then the bat devil just flew around trying to kill people. And now they're fighting each other.
No, they did. He killed it, didn't he?
Oh, did he kill it? Oh, yeah.
Sure, he killed it. Yeah, this is episode...
I think, did I miss anything?
4? Episode 4? Denji's really after a grow up. Wants to grow up someone.
Yeah. I mean, he must be like a child or something. He must be a teenager.
Well, obviously he's a teenager, isn't he?
15 or something. Oh.
Ah.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
What was she sucking the blood out of there?
A cow.
How was she sucking it out of... on the cow?
Just a stomach, I think. I don't know. If you're going to think udder, I don't think it was the udder she was sucking it from.
No, I think it was a bot. It was at the back end of the cow. It was either its leg or its... I was just carrying the bear.
No, a bear head.
Oh yeah. We also posited the theory that what's she called? Mikawa. Is it Mikawa?
Power.
No, the pink-haired lass.
No, Makima?
Makima, yeah.
Makima.
That she is a devil who can manipulate people's minds. She likes to be naked, doesn't she?
And then she's been running around eating things. Oh, it's still alive.
She's all covered in guts.
I'm glad she agrees.
It's not foolish for a teenage boy. That'd make his year. That's it. Just take a deep breath. What on earth is this now?
Oh, what the heck is that? I'm gonna chomp his arm.
It's a giant worm with udders. Udders? It had udders, and it was made up of about 5 worms. So what devil do we think that is?
Ugh. The worm cow.
Worm udder devil.
Wow.
The wow devil, yeah.
The worm cow devil.
We certainly said wow,
devil.
when we first saw it. Wow,
Yeah,
the
wow devil.
Maybe that's its power. Every time someone goes, oh, wow!
Oh,
It's stronger.
corm.
What?
Cow worm devil.
Corm. Nah.
Oh, wow, it's better, isn't it?
Yeah, wow was better.
The wow devil. I would like to be called the wow devil. Not because of a cow and a worm, but just wow.
I'm not sure what devil I would be called. I'd probably be called something like the devilishly handsome devil. Devilishly devil. I'm in a weird mood, folks.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. I think it's because I watched Spy Kids yesterday. Who would you ship first? Denji and Power or Denji and Makima?
I don't trust Makima though. After what you said, I'm kind of like, ooh, she's a bit suspicious.
Huh? Oh, he's struggling. Ah, I see.
Ew, I don't like the fact it's got teeth. It's like normal teeth.
Nope. Not my type. Good lad. Oh, never mind. Can he drink his own blood?
Just quickly like suck up some blood and then go like full chainsaw.
He's doing well.
It is gross like that.
Those wormy things were coming at him quickly. I don't know what to call them. Tentacles? Oh, good lad. Oh yeah. He's blooming dedicated. Oh.
Oh.
Come now, that takes some testicular fortitude. Oh. Never mind.
What are you? That's what I want to know. Is it like a leech? Is that what it's supposed to be? Is that why they both like each other? A bat and a leech, they both like blood.
Oh. Hey! No dream is ever trashy. What did he get out with there? His face?
His face, yeah, it got a little longer, I think, didn't it?
Good lad. Yeah. Murder eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. What are we watching?
I don't know. I like it though.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? It's a weird. It feels like, I don't know. It feels like my sense of sight is being attacked, but in a pleasant way. Is she gonna kill it with guts?
Oh, the guts have a boyfriend. That's quite dark, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's some Game of Thrones stuff there. Oh, he's losing it. He's losing it a little bit.
Uh-oh.
As if he's still going.
I mean, he's determined to give him that. His eyes?
That was definitely his face. Oh, what was it? Oh, she tongued him in the chest.
Who?
What? Leech? Well done.
Hey.
What the hell is that then?
Ghost dog.
The Dorst. The Dorst Devil.
Why would he give out these names?
Ew. God, you know, it's one of those days when you've just killed a bat demon because you're trying to grope a lass and a blooming leech thing comes and attacks you. Typical Thursday.
デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。パワーはいいやつだぜ。
She
kind of offered you up.
巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。それにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていた。お前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろう。理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。
friends.
の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。
Oh, God.
俺はお前より先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ。俺の言うことを聞いていればお前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
Yeah, okay, Aki. Now get out of it.
分かったら返事。おう、頭に入れといてやら。利用するだけです。
So did he say he'd made a deal with the fox devil? Is that what he said?
Gives it
He gives it blood in exchange for it to do it.
parts of his body.
Weird.
Hmm.
Let it numb on him.
You would think just one bite from that thing would kill you. I doubt think that size knows how to nibble. Now, I'll say.
Everyone seems to be a bit obsessed with
Yeah.
everything.
It's her eyes as well, though. She's got similar eyes to Power. There's definitely something about her that's not known to us yet, considering it's
Like
only
a mind devil.
Yeah.
Brain devil.
A Professor X devil.
Brain devil. Just turns into a giant brain.
I wonder if there's any devils that play truth or dare with you, and they're called the Daredevil. No, okay. Sorry.
Did you hear that sigh?
Well, you come up with a pun. It's always up to me to make the puns. What's he doing here? What was that? What did he just do?
Cleaning his clothes, Sean.
Ah. I see.
Yeah, you wouldn't know.
Now, what's he doing here? What's this?
Cooking, Sean.
Ah. I see.
Look at all the bandages on his arm.
Oh. They're like proper housemates.
She'd go and live with them as well.
Is it just going to end with like a full
He's
squad?
just adopting an entire team.
Give me my super toast.
Oh, look at the blush he has. Hey.
There's definitely something off about her, isn't there? Du-du. Du-du-du-du-du. Okay. This is like Christmas. With you and your vegetables. She didn't flush! Oh, this is just like Friends.
God, he's like a dad of 2 kids already. Oh my god.
Just deep breath, boyo. Deep breaths. He's not calling her the turd devil now, is he? Deep breaths. Okay. Okay. What are we watching?
I don't know. Apparently this is normal in the world of anime.
I know! This is apparently tropes that we can look forward to.
She's an angel. He's changed his tune, isn't he? Is this the end of the episode?
Yeah.
Is this how it ends?
I could see why people like anime characters. Why people like fancy anime characters. I can understand why. Because that's one of those things where, imagine if you're a lad, obviously you can't, but if a lass came straight up to a lad and went, oh yeah, you can fondle my chest, most lads would probably be like what he was like.
Yeah, is that what they mean by the trope? It's just breasts.
I don't know.
Is that what they mean?
What is the anime trope that they meant? Is it all just...
It's all just that all the female characters have big breasts.
Yeah, and they just wander around letting lads squeeze them. This feels weird compared to Attack on Titan, doesn't it?
Yeah, there was none of that in
There's no breasts in Attack on Titan. I'm not even sure any of the characters had breasts. There's quite a few females as well. I don't think any of them had breasts.
I mean, I doubt that's the case.
No,
I just don't think they made a big deal out of it.
Maybe I'll go back through and watch. Check.
Check.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is it because there's other people in the intro who look like they're going to be devils as well? Do you think that Aki is just going to get his house filled with devils? It's literally going to become Friends, but
yeah. I mean, he's already got 2.
Yeah, might as well get more. I like it though. I like how they act, because they're just big children, aren't they?
Yeah.
Denji especially is just a big child.
I think it's just a child. I wouldn't even say I don't know.
Isn't that what I just said?
Yeah, but he's not big, is he? He's not like an adult.
Oh, right, okay, yeah. He's not grown up.
Yeah, he's just a child.
Yeah. Maybe not a child.
I can say that now because I'm 20.
I think he's a teen. He's like a proper teenager, isn't he? But I like it. It's different. I think that's what we have to try and do from now on, is if when we're watching anime is try and whatever the next anime is that we're going to watch, it's completely different to what we're watching. I'm glad that this is different to Attack on Titan.
Yeah, Attack on Titan was a little more serious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This is a little more like jokey and
Yeah.
more fun.
It's only going to be 12 episodes.
Yeah.
Lie down. Well, 12 episodes in this season. I assume there's more than one season. It'd be weird. I wonder if Chainsaw Man will be another one where I commit to having a tattoo on my body after I've watched it.
Probably. Just get a tattoo of the thing that he has coming out of his chest.
Oh, the string. Maybe. Maybe that's just what this entire arm will be. It'll just be the anime arm. So as we work our way through
You're a walking geek, aren't you?
Yeah, I already am.
I know, but in like, you'll have tattoos that just embody.
People, if people have seen my tattoos, they know that I'm a geek already.
Yeah.
5 points to anyone who can name what tattoos I have.
I don't think they've seen them all. I've not seen them once.
They will have seen them. They've just got to go through. Watch this. They've got to go through all our other videos and watch and check. Oh yeah, that's not a scheme to get more viewers.
And then they'll probably won't see it, and they'll probably be angry.
Yeah. Have a guess. I mean, I can't give you anything if you get it, so I get a brisk thumbs up if you do. Tell us some stuff down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, ding the bell enough when we upload. We upload every day. Anything else you want to say? God, I've got such an itchy forehead.
I feel like the thing is, right, what you've done is with Makima is you've said something, right, and now I believe it. I do this with you all the time. You come up with a theory and I just go, yeah, that's true. That's canon in my head.
Start doing it. I might
don't care about what happens in the story. In my head, you are right, and she's a bad character.
So psychologically, why do you think that is?
It's because I see it and I'm like, oh yeah, she's a bit weird. Her eyes do look different.
Yeah, but it's strange that you don't need that much proof that what I've said could be true.
In terms of a movie, so not in life.
Is it just like? Is it just
in
like?
In terms of the movie.
Maybe that I'm just right that often.
No.
Something like that.
No, doesn't ring a bell. No. I think just in this movie, and in the movies, and in the series and the animes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. People are going to think that I'm actually this self-centered.
Yeah.
It's just a character I play, folks.
Why would anyone ever think that about you?
This is just a character I play, folks. I'm actually really humble and modest and don't think too massively of myself. Yeah, Anything else? I've already said that. I would have said that now.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. I like doing things like that.
You're in a weird mood.